Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here and run through the trade with you on this fifth day of December 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room. And here's a trade taken in the room today by myself and or other traders in the room. So here we go again with our strong candle indicator. There's plenty of these trades to be found all over the place. This one, can see we have a line that the buyers just can't seem to cross anymore. So we failed here, we failed here, we failed here again, and then we get a beautiful strong candle um, going in the opposite direction. Now the trouble is it's trading right into the 50 of the day, which we usually don't do. So we want this to come down and retrace. We need a decent retrace on this first, on this candle, then we'll go ahead and try and see if we can close below that 50 of the day. If it does, great. If not, we'll just get our first targets hit and it'll be a break-even trade. We look over at the PVI, a little bit on the moderate side, so I'm expecting the next candles to be somewhere between 60 and 70 ticks long, so we'll pair our ATM to that. We'll go for our usual 16s, 31s, and 60s. That's probably the most common ATM that we're using at this particular speed. So we need a bit of a retrace. Then we put our order on, and then we'll see how she goes. And this is the way it looked in the room today. We're going to go ahead and sell. Strong indicator. Our little triangle here is red pointing down, meaning I want to trade down towards the bottom of the screen. I can't do anything with this until we get a retrace back up towards yesterday's high. Once that happens, we'll drop a trade on and we'll see how it works. Yeah, see, there's the hit into the 50 of the day. It's going to get rejected. Give us a nice retrace back the other way. And if that retrace fails, then we're going to be in good shape. So again, we don't want to do anything until we get picked up in the trade. It may take a little bit longer than normal. You said, well, Fred, why didn't you put your trade on right away? Because we always want to retrace. We want that additional failure before we get involved in the trade. There's a lot in the way here. We usually don't get involved in that, but when this retrace comes up, if the market wants to keep on going along, it'll keep on going. If it does pick us up, chances of us getting at least our first target taken out is, it's very high. Let's put it that way. So we're giving the buyers a chance. If they want to run off and hide, they can. If they don't, then we're going to go ahead and we should get our first target hit. And here we go. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, the last major failure point. And now we wait until our first target gets hit. We can go ahead and speed it up now. But look what happens to our risk once our first target's out. Boom. Now the risk is nothing. It's a break-even position. We got 16 ticks on the first one. We're at minus 14. So if it takes us out now, it'll break us even and we will have paid our fees. Hence the extra tick. Instead of doing 15s and 30s, we do 16s and 31s just to make sure our fees get paid. Now, if it does come out and take us out of break even, we need to put another order on. We'll get another order ready. And if it does make some kind of move back towards our stop, we'll go ahead and bring this up. But right now, I don't remember that happening. And we'll see. That 50 of the day is a big deal. So if we can close under that, that would be amazing. All right. It's going to take us more than, oh, there we go. Second target's out. We closed under the 50 of the day. It's brilliant. And let's see how long it takes us. There we go. We're out again right there. That particular trade went into the second candle. It took less than 6 minutes to complete and was worth 620 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 620 US dollars in less than 6 minutes, I suggest you come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have indicators that are only available at Samurai Day Trading. And the one that we use all the time is our strong candle indicator right there. And boy, it does pay off a large part of the time. So come and join us at the live trading room. We'll look forward to seeing you there. And until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.